I'll import a few images first because let us see distort today. Okay, I have imported an image and we have seen color correction, and I think till blob eyes we have seen. We have to see the next one. So CC flow motion. Normally CC flow motion is used for this knots. Knot 1, knot 2 is there. This things. I think this we have seen. This is, I think, kaleidoscope output. This we have seen this earlier in the last class. Kaleidoscope, that kind of output you can achieve. Kaleidoscope is this one. This output, an optical instrument. Okay. So like this kind of output we can achieve, like these things and all. And this kind of animation also you can achieve. Okay. So you can try anyhow with flow motion. So distort gridler is nothing but creating a grids. Can you see this grid output? It's a vertical tile size. You can define smaller or this one. Okay. Rotation, image rotation will happen over here. Okay. So what we can do, it can be something like this. Tile size can be something like this. Okay. So this is Gridler. You can try. Not only for image, you try for other solid colors and all. It looks good. So lens, this is the lens effect. Okay. Okay, what I'll do, let me just create a new solid. I create a solid, black solid. Okay. So I've created one black solid. I place this black solid over here and I select this. So I reduce the size. I make this thing smaller. Have you seen this James Bond movies and all? In the starting, there is a an intro shots or focused shots. So those things, you can achieve with this CC lens. Key here and trim comp to work area. So up to here. Okay. See now, when you play, okay, this resolution I reduce. Or else even in the movies, like this kind of output you can achieve. Means, with binocular. Let's say you have two things. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll key this. I have two things here. Okay, CC lens, one more thing, I copy, I duplicate, control D for duplicate. I have two CC lens here. Okay, okay, let's say I have one. I'll create a new CC lens again. Okay, two things. That's what one CC lens is here. On top of that, another CC is there. Okay, anyhow, one you can give. Okay, not multiple things. Okay, so this is CC lens you try. Next, I'll go with Distort page turn. Okay. Hmm. See, I have multiple images over here. Okay, there are so many multiple images are there. So now what I'll do, this is the first one. You have page turn. Okay, fold radius I can give. Okay, you have the page turner here. See, you can animate this manually, like the book opening. Okay, see this. See this. Animate this one after the other, which looks good. Okay, this is the first one. Similarly, you can give another one. You can animate this. This is hold position. But here we have at the bottom right. This one, if you want at bottom left, you can make it here. Like you can open page like this also. If you have it in top right, it's over here. Where do you want? You can have it like this. So bottom right is fine. Okay. Back page, which is the back page you want? Back page is this one. So you can change the back page also. Instead of this back page, you can have the same one. Because see, front page, what is there? The same has to be the back page also. Okay. Got it. Fine. This is page turn. You can have, you can create few outputs using this. Again, distort power pin, top left, top right. Here you have pin options. You can create kind of perspective. Let's say, for example, buildings. You have building images. Okay. Let's say buildings. Okay. buildings or shops. Even you can take shops or you can take streets. No, shop is fine. Let's say you have an image in perspective. Okay, let me save this image. So I have an image over here. I'm just bringing this to the top. Something like this is there. So what I'll do, right click, effect, distort, power pin. So so you got it. Now how does this looks? Forget about, ignore this person here. Now, how does this image looks? It was in perspective. Now you can change the image into almost like a front view, right? Got it?
Yes,
This is with the help of power pin you can do this. Okay. And moreover, it will bring to perspective. See, it will match. It was almost something like this. If I turn off this is how the image is. See, image is like this. When you turn on this effect, the image is almost like this. Okay. So power pin
yes,
is this. Let's see. So then ripple pulse. So you know what is ripple, right? A ripple effect. Okay, so you have to turn on the bump map, render bump map. Here you have to turn on. Okay, this is ripple pulse. No, it okay, might be an animation, it will do. Let's see the ripple pulse separately. It should come. Slant is something, bend slant, how does this looks? Slant effect, bend effect. This is another sort of effect. Okay. Manually for scaling also you can use this. You can set a floor. This is the floor so that floor doesn't move. You can change the floor position, something like this, and you can bend like this. This is slant. So under distort, similarly you have smear effect. You know that how does smear effect looks. See for the face, let's say I'll import a face image. And for this face you apply smear effect. Okay, radius, let me reduce the radius a bit, reach somehow. Since manually you can manipulate things. You can animate this. Okay, something is moving over here on the cheek or something, that you can try. Okay, so that's smear. Let's see. So you can just, if you look at this, you can explore these tools and all. Okay, it's quite simple. Split, you can split this. See, for example, uh, you can take a mask image. Let's say, see for every effect, one or the other thing, I'll be showing mask PNG. So what I'll do, see the recent effect which we have taken, that is listed over here. From distort CC split I'll take. CC split is having two keys, one here and one here. See, two things is there which I'm placing it over here. These are the two splits. Now split open. The image you can make it talk. Okay. As per the audio, you can import audio. As per the audio, you can make this thing to talk like this. But these are quite simple. This is just splitting the image. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This, you can take an image, uh, do a lot of this kind of actions and all. So it's funny. You can do this split. So what even I thought, you can use a mask over here, make a cut in the mask, and mask will split, do the things. So similarly, I'll take another one, distort CC split 2. There is another one, split 2, split 2. I'm placing it here. The difference between split 2 is you get one option here, you get another option here. See, while we talk, only lower jaw movement will be there, upper jaw movement won't be there, right? You only try. You can open the lower, means you can move only lower jaw, not the upper jaw. Okay. So this is quite good. Upper jaw, you can have something like this. But anyhow, it's okay. Just try with the lower jaw. Hey, hi, something. See?
Hi.
Okay. So split. Split 2 is good. Using split 2, you just create some 10 seconds of a clip. You can create some memes and all. Uh, how do you say? What do you say that? Hey, Sanbonani, right? Sanbonani, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So split. Then under distort, you have Tyler. Tyler. Okay. Let's use the same image for Tyler. Okay. Tyler. Tyler is nothing but so many images will come like this. Got it. This is very popular for music videos and all. Um, let me see if I have any musical videos. Bean project. Come over here. Just import this in After Effects here. So while working, whichever output seems good, save that separately. Okay. Why? Because you can use those outputs as a for your showreel. And every class with in every class, whatever different tools which you learn, try to create some 5 seconds, 6 seconds of output. That's enough, not more than that. So nearly around 15 to 20 class. So you'll be having 20 or 15 minimum videos will be there. Each video will be of 10 minutes or 10 seconds. So you can try. Okay. Okay, the person, control alt F for full screen. Okay, the person is doing hiking. This is a shot. So what I can do, I can select this FX, go to distort, under distort, Tyler. So just reduce the scale. You might have seen these things in broadcasting, like even in the movies, sorry, in the news channels and all. So multiple clips they'll be showing. Blend with original is nothing but this. You have things going like this. You add a solid, uh, some relaxing music and all to this. This looks good. And you can create your own multiple videos, multiple work, and you add this effect. So this looks really good, right? So this is Tyler, CC Tyler. Then I'll go to distort, corner pin. Corner pin is nothing but you can give something like this. Perspective. You can add. You can have perspective. Okay. So now, for example, you have a TV image, TV unit in any. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll come over here. I don't know, something happened. Okay, let's say this. For example, if the TV unit is somewhere here, you can place the TV like this. You can place the TV like this. If any interior image is there, just take one interior image. As per the image, you can place a TV. I'll show you that. Let me just download an image. See, for every effect, one or the other output you can create. So it's corner pin. Okay, let me see. Then I'll take the next one. Detail preserving upscale. Okay, you can see this effect, what it will do. As per the composition of the width and height, okay, uh, if any noise is there, it will reduce noise. Means this basically it works for the footages, source footages, which we have done a shooting using handycam or a DSLR videos and all. Okay, if any noise is there, automatically it will reduce noise in the video and all. This is for uh, so normally when we do a recording, the input, the recorded or final output will be, it will be in high quality. Once we import those videos into this After Effects or any of the softwares, a generation loss will happen. Generation loss is nothing but one level of quality will be reduced. You can call that as a downgraded or loss, generation loss. From here I'll render, then uh, I'll move, you know the final video. Means normally when we render using the, means when we capture using um, this camera or anything, it will be in GBs. The file size will be in GBs. But when I render this, it may come less than 1 GB. So automatically there is a generation loss. Then if I want to fit that into a mobile or in YouTube, then again I have to compress those video. Whenever you compress each and every time or when you render, there will be a generation loss. Using this particular tool, means effect, detail preserve upscaling, means it will somehow retain the quality. Okay, so that's for this one. Let's see. Okay, and distort, you have, okay, similarly another thing, displacement map. There's one another thing called liquify. Liquify is a kind of a good tool. Okay, wherein see, you can move like this. See, now waterfall is here. I'm spreading this fall. Observe. So there are so many other things. I can select this. I can spread the fall. This is kind of smudge. You know how does smudge work in Photoshop? But this is liquify. Even in Photoshop also you have liquify, right?
Yes, sir.
So same way this also works here.
Ah, this is amazing.
it's like this. Manually you can draw. Okay, see like this. So this is liquify. Along with that, distortion percentage you can reduce. See, manually this animates also means percentage you can reduce or you can increase, something like this you can. Okay, and you can take different things. Here you have wave, twist. For example, how does this twist will work? And you can increase the options. Brush size you can increase. So actually it is twisting. See, now it's twisting. Okay. For example, uh, I can take this face model and I can apply liquify. Under effect, liquify, reduce the brush size. You can take any tool. You can change the shape of this. So I can reduce the brush size. Brush pressure also you can reduce. So I reduce this quality. Okay, now increase this. So manually, you can work on this and you can even animate this. That's another thing. Okay. So this is liquify. There are multiple tools are there. You can just check this. Okay.
Yes.
So next in distort, you have magnify. You know how what is magnify. Okay, guys. This when this call ends, you connect again. Okay. So this
Yes.
magnify circle shape is there, and it's in center. Magnification you can increase and link. Link is fine. Okay, you can see here. Size. Let me increase this size. Okay. See here, and here magnification. It can be something like this. See, only those area it will get zoom, right?